What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be doing the exhaust on my BMW 1 Series E87, I think it is, but I just call it a fucking car. But anyways, I'll show you guys what the exhaust sounds like now. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, because it helps me and it's free to you guys. And plus, if you want to follow along the build, yeah, I've got some exciting stuff coming soon in the next few videos. Well, I think it's exciting anyway, because I love it. But anyway, I'll show you guys what the exhaust sounds like now, and then I'll show you guys me. Well, not me, because I don't really know what I'm doing, so I basically just watched the guy at the garage do it. But anyway, I will.
Sounds like now I'm going to give you a little snippet.
Anyway guys, what you want to do next, you want to get this tool. I don't know what it's called, but I'll put it in the description below in case you want to get one. And what you got to do is cut the back box off, and then you got to just take it out. It is quite heavy, and I recommend you do it when the car is cooled down, because we did it when I'd just been like driving home from work. But anyway, sorry about the focus on the camera there, but you can sort of see in the background that we're cutting it. And once you cut it, you want to take it off, and then you should be able to fit your new one on there. I would recommend putting the new one underneath it, just so you know where to cut and that. But yeah, let's see what's next. Alright then, so the next thing you want to do is put your exhaust on the cut that you just cut off. Obviously it will be different for all exhausts, but you want to put the little metal bit in the rubber bushing. That just secures it in place, make sure it doesn't drop or sag or anything, because you don't want it falling on the floor when you're driving along. That'd be chaos. Then you want to get your clamp it in place, because you don't want it shooting off or any like air leaking out, because it might sound funny, maybe, I don't really know. But anyway, you want to gun it up, make sure it's really tight, because you don't want it getting loose or anything, because then you have a faulty exhaust. But yeah, I'll show you guys what it sounds like now. Hope you like the sound.
Alright then guys, it's time to show you what my exhaust sounds like, because it's taken me ages to film this little tiny part for the video. But we're in a car park, so it might be better. So I'll film until I've left the car park. But yeah, some nice sounds. Red line. Scraping on the floor. That's the coilover video, which I am editing right now. But yeah, hope you like the sound of the car. Thanks for watching the video, and I've got so many more videos that I'm making. It's crazy. I've got 2 more videos that I'm making. One of them is a sneak peek. Well, you can basically see what I've done, but anyway, if you notice enough. But anyway, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you guys soon. Hope you enjoyed.